Conveniently located and thoughtfully updated, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is move-in ready with modern upgrades throughout. A brand new furnace and air conditioner, installed in fall 2023, ensure year-round comfort, while 2 newly remodeled bathrooms and updated lighting add a fresh, contemporary feel. The air ducts were professionally cleaned in 2024, providing a clean and efficient living space. Enjoy the outdoors in the spacious fenced-in backyard, complete with a large deck overlooking the yard, a newly installed paver patio, 2024, and a fire ring with a rock surround, perfect for relaxing evenings. A large storage shed/additional garage offers ample space for tools, toys, or extra vehicles. Inside, the main floor features 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, while the lower level boasts 2 additional bedrooms, a 3/4 bathroom, and a bright and inviting family room with an electric fireplace. The exterior is low maintenance with durable siding, soffit, and fascia, as well as newer garage service doors. Well-established perennial gardens add charm to the beautifully landscaped yard. Located close to parks, tennis courts,